This is Antonino and he's doing scaciatta. E scaciatta come è? Si mette l'olio?
Allora noi ci mettiamo l'olio di sopra, sia di sotto e di sopra.
Okay.
Poi ci mettiamo acciughe, pomodoro, caciocavallo come... e poi ci mettiamo origano
Bello.
e un pizzico di sale.
Beautiful. So he puts a little bit of olive oil on the bottom and the top, a little bit of salt, pepper, oregano and anchovies, and you eat it. And that's what's called scaciatta.
Beautiful.
It's a beautiful, simple peasant dish.
Yeah.
And it's very delicious to eat, especially with this kind of bread. If you can see, it's really, really soft and edible and very, very delicious. And Geordie's going to try this for the first time. And they put a bit of tomatoes in it as well, fresh tomato.
Yum.
So